Hunger has made all of us act a little crazy at one point or another, and for an elephant in Thailand, that led to petty theft. The giant animal strolled into a store and started helping himself to some snacks. The shopkeeper could do little but yell at the pachyderm as it chomped down 9 bags of sweet rice crackers, a sandwich, and some bananas, totaling about 25 bucks. This particular elephant apparently has a reputation for doing this. He'll sometimes even ransack people's houses for food.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
No fool. Why be out there foraging when you can just saunter into a grocery store?
You need to look at, this came across my Facebook feed and like our post of it, and you need to look at the comments because like half of them are like, that's obviously a photoshopped image. And people are like, there's a video, there's a video attached to it.
Actually happened.
Right. It's a real thing.
I understand how it looks weird. That's crazy. It's weird when like, we don't have much of this here, but if you go to places where, countries where like animals are just kind of, even the idea of like stray dogs being around, in a lot of countries is just a thing, and like here you're like, whose baby is this? Like,
Just meandering with everybody else.
just walking around.